British Columbia, a place of beauty, bustling communities, and a hub for Asia-Pacific trade. It's also home to some of the most varied driving conditions in Canada. More than 41,000 kilometers of provincial roads connect our communities and industries through mountain passes, along coastlines, and over waters. Along the way, we face all kinds of weather, all sorts of events, some anticipated, others determined by Mother Nature. But wherever you are in the province, DriveBC is at your fingertips, helping you know before you go. DriveBC is the BC Ministry of Transportation and Infrastructure's 24-hour traveler information system, providing timely road condition and incident updates for provincial highways. As communication technology advances, DriveBC is evolving to meet the needs of BC travelers. Take DriveBC Mobile for example, which brings traffic, weather, construction, and other road-related information directly to your smartphone. In fact, about 50% of DriveBC visits are all through the mobile site. DriveBC gives travelers access to the big picture, with a growing network of highway webcams strategically positioned at more than 260 key locations, from busy intersections to mountain summits. The DriveBC team, which includes operators at our Provincial Highways Condition Center, maintenance contractors, regional ministry staff, and information technicians, work behind the scenes to make sure weather, construction, and other information affecting highways gets to the public fast and efficiently. A map view displays up-to-the-minute highway events in an easy-to-view layout, and with multiple layers to help users see different types of events along their anticipated route. Part of what makes DriveBC so successful is public input and engagement. Travelers can connect with DriveBC on social media, managing a central Twitter account supported by 8 regional accounts for location-specific highway updates. The public can also share their feedback or report a problem through the website. Whether following a local Twitter feed or subscribing to email or SMS notifications, DriveBC users can receive traveler information tailored to their needs. The most widely used website in the BC government, DriveBC receives a yearly average of 12 million visits, with its peak month receiving 2.4 million visits. But what does that mean? Well, nearly 8 billion hits and 43 terabytes of data served per year. To give you some perspective, a single terabyte can hold 1,000 copies of the Encyclopedia Britannica. DriveBC has the transportation data, and it delivers, meeting demand by shedding light on BC highways and helping the traveling public know before they go. Welcome to Touring DriveBC, a video tutorial series designed to help you get the most out of DriveBC's online traveler information system. Today, we'll guide you through the Plan Your Route feature. From DriveBC's homepage on your desktop, you can start planning your route by clicking the link on the left-hand navigation bar. Plan Your Route allows you to enter start and end destinations to receive the shortest route, along with step-by-step instructions along the way. Let's say you plan to travel from 100 Mile House to Kamloops. Click Find Route and a map will appear with the shortest route highlighted in purple. Estimated travel time and total distance are also shown. Scroll down to view step-by-step driving directions, along with important DriveBC information such as construction and webcam locations listed in order along your route. For a different perspective, the map view allows you to select specific road and weather events. When you select an option, corresponding icons will appear on the map. The displayed route can be modified by placing your cursor on the purple line on the map and then dragging and dropping to create an alternate route. Remove the map view by unchecking the map box. You're welcome to type your own notes too. Use the empty text box at the top to personalize your driving instructions. The option to print the travel plan is located at the top right of your screen. Please note, Plan Your Route calculates the shortest driving distance provided by Google and may include roads that DriveBC does not report on. The route does not take into account road closures or delays during calculation and will not provide alternate routes to avoid delays. Hopefully this tutorial helps you find your way using DriveBC. If you have any questions, there's a good chance the answer is on our frequently asked questions page. If not, you're welcome to connect with us by submitting an email. Safe travels, and be sure to know before you go with DriveBC. Welcome to Touring DriveBC, a video tutorial series designed to help you get the most out of DriveBC's online traveler information system. Today, we'll help you navigate the map feature. From DriveBC's homepage, Access the map by either clicking Map View or clicking anywhere on the large map. Find your desired location by using the Hand tool or Pan tool combined with the Zoom tool. You can also use the wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. You can get to your location even faster by using the Zoom to search tool. Let's take a closer look at the Okanagan-Shuswap area. In the upper right corner, you'll see a legend with a list. That list includes road conditions, construction, maintenance and special events, dynamic message signs, webcam and weather information, inland ferry route information, and Metro Vancouver traffic flow. Each item has a checkbox beside it. Click the box to bring up corresponding icons on the map. Click the icons to get more details. If an icon has a plus symbol next to it, that means there are multiple icons at that location. Click the plus sign to reveal information for these icons. Please note that major weather and road events like highway closures are shown using red icons. Want a different perspective of the map? You can view terrain and satellite versions of the map by clicking on the top of the legend. You can also toggle the geographical names on and off and open and close the legend. Hopefully this tutorial helps you find your way using DriveBC. If you have any questions, there's a good chance the answer is on our frequently asked questions page. If not, you're welcome to connect with us by submitting an email. Safe travels, and be sure to know before you go with DriveBC. Welcome to Touring DriveBC, a video tutorial series designed to help you get the most out of DriveBC's online traveler information system. Today, we'll guide you through the BC Highway Cams feature. From DriveBC's homepage on your desktop, you will find BC Highway Cams by clicking on the map, the Webcam List tab, or the link on the left-hand navigation bar. You can organize the webcams by region to narrow your search. You can also hone in on webcams located at the Canada-US border, view all webcams, and see your preferred webcams. We'll talk further about how to select the My Webcams feature later. Let's choose Highway 1's Kicking Horse Canyon webcams as an example. You'll first notice a snapshot of the highway, including time and date stamp at the bottom of the screen. Northern, Southern Interior, and Vancouver Island images update every 15 to 30 minutes. Lower Mainland images update about every 2 to 4 minutes. Below the image, you'll see a map with webcam icons marking nearby BC Highway Cams locations. Click an icon to bring up that particular webcam image. This gives you a broader picture of your route. Thumbnail images of nearby webcams are also visible below the map. Click on Weather to bring up current conditions. If there's a weather station nearby the webcam, like there is at the Kicking Horse Canyon webcam, information is updated hourly and will be more specific to that location. Webcams without a nearby weather station show more general weather forecasts from Environment Canada for locations along the route. Another popular feature is Replay the Day, which allows you to watch weather and highway conditions over the past 24 hours. Now, you probably have routes you drive regularly, whether it's for a commute or just highways around your local area. That's when the My Webcams feature comes in. Each webcam gives you the option to add to My Highway Cams. Once you add a webcam to your list, the option to remove appears. As you can see, the webcam is now located under your My Cams tab. The Highway Cams feature looks a bit different when viewing from your mobile device. Click BC Highway Cams to see webcams organized by region, border, and the My Webcams feature. The map view is also available to give you an overhead look at webcam locations across BC. Once you choose a webcam to view, all the options on the desktop version are available, including weather conditions, replay the day, and the option to add to My Cams. Hopefully this tutorial helps you explore highway cams on DriveBC. If you have any questions, there's a good chance the answer is on our frequently asked questions page. If it's not, you're welcome to connect with us by submitting an email. Safe travels, and be sure to know before you go with DriveBC Highway Cams. Welcome to Touring DriveBC, a video tutorial series designed to help you get the most out of DriveBC's online traveler information system. Today, we'll help you set up your DriveBC subscriptions. From DriveBC's homepage on your desktop computer, you have 3 subscription options: email alerts, Twitter and text message alerts, and RSS alerts. Let's start with email alerts. When you click to subscribe, you'll be asked to accept a disclaimer and give consent to have your email address used for DriveBC event notifications. You'll then be guided through a series of steps. Step 1. Enter your email address and choose your preferred email format. Step 2. Choose how often you'd like to receive notifications, the severity and types of events you want to know about, and whether you wish to filter alerts by area or route. Click the question mark icon for a detailed description of each option. Step 3. Review your settings and submit. You will then receive a confirmation email. Once you've confirmed your subscription by following the link provided, you will begin receiving email alerts according to your settings. You can change your settings or unsubscribe by following the email subscription icon on the homepage and clicking the second option. You will receive an email with links to change your settings or unsubscribe. On Twitter? Or do you want to receive text message alerts directly on your mobile phone? Click the Twitter icon on the homepage. For example, let's say you live in the Lower Mainland. Click your region on the map or on the list of regional Twitter accounts to follow your local DriveBC Twitter feed. You'll find instructions for setting up text message alerts by following the blue button below the list. Subscribing to DriveBC RSS feeds works much the same way. RSS, also known as Really Simple Syndication, is a great way to receive alerts directly to your RSS reader. When you click the RSS icon from the homepage, a map and a list of RSS regional feeds appears. Hopefully, this tutorial helps you find your way using DriveBC. If you have any questions, there's a good chance the answer is on our Frequently Asked Questions page. If not, you're welcome to connect with us by submitting an email. Safe travels, and be sure to know before you go with DriveBC. Welcome to Touring DriveBC, a video tutorial series designed to help you get the most out of DriveBC's online traveler information system. Today, we'll help you navigate and organize the road conditions and events listings. From DriveBC's homepage, you have two choices for viewing conditions and events, by map or by listing. Let's start with the map. To bring up the map, click the Map View tab at the top, or click the area of the map you want to learn about. The legend allows you to control which icons appear on the map. These include road conditions, incidents, current planned events, and future planned events. Just click on an icon to reveal details. You can also view conditions and events in list form by clicking the Conditions and Events tab. Start by clicking the event types you wish to view. You can also narrow down your search by choosing to show only major events, or by organizing events by area, route, or popular route. If you want to see a specific event in the map view, click the link. The options to refresh and print the lists are also available. Want to receive event updates delivered directly to you? DriveBC has 3 subscription options to choose from: email alerts, Twitter and text message alerts, and RSS alerts. Learn more about DriveBC subscription services by watching the subscriptions tutorial video, available in the Touring DriveBC YouTube playlist. Hopefully this tutorial helps you find your way using DriveBC. If you have any questions, there's a good chance the answer is on our Frequently Asked Questions page. If not, you're welcome to connect with us by submitting an email. Safe travels, and be sure to know before you go with DriveBC.